Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Metra 75521 to a Chevy Silverado? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Match wires by function. Match the Metra 75521 wires to each function on your receiver, regardless of color. Step 2. Crimp the wires. Crimp the wires. Strip back 1/2, twist and insert them into the crimp cap. Squeeze tightly. Step 3. Wrap unnecessary wires. Wrap any unnecessary wires with electrical tape to avoid short circuits. Step 4. Plug wiring adapter. Plug the wiring adapter from the new receiver into the factory radio harness in the vehicle dash. Follow these steps, and you'll have your Metra 75521 connected and your bass amp working flawlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Metra users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.